Do you want to fly like a bird, but you're out of vacation time? Join our weekend training program. Go from zero to hero in not more than a few weekends. We offer full training and equipment packages. We even offer financing. Don't let your excuses outnumber your days.
Florida Flight Sports, I got my weekend crew. I got the brothers Greg here. Ryan's about ready to make the first flight on his VFI unit. This new blue powder-coated faster trike. We got Mark up already. Matt's ready to go over there.
Today we do what others won't, so tomorrow we do what others can't. You can do this at Florida Flight Sports.
Very nice control, slow down. These accessories, man.
Huh?
These accessories. You got the golf towel when you get sweaty, the mixed drink. What you do?
What are you waiting for? Sign up now. www.ppggorilla.com